Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. For today's video, ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang unboxing about the 3-way axis gimbal stabilizer for smart mobile phone. So I have here the product. I bought it in the Lazada and this is perfect for all YouTubers and bloggers, especially for those beginners. Okay. So, it worth 2,500 plus. Okay, so nag-sale siya sa Lazada. And I think this is good for all vloggers, especially sa mga mahilig sa photography and videography. Okay, so let's go guys. Samahan niyo ako mag-unbox ng item na ito. Let's go! Again. So let's open the box. Okay, this is it. Okay. So dumating siya na naka bubble wrap pa, very safe and very secure item. Okay, so open natin. Let's open the box. Oh, cute. So meron siyang kasamang hard case. So as you can see, meron siyang logo ni Pregio. So, ito yung brand ng item na ito. Pregio 3-axis gimbal stabilizer for smartphone. Okay, so open natin yung kanyang hard case. So cute. Para siyang gitara. Oh, meron siyang kasamang strap. Ayan. Okay, ganda, galing. Ayan, Pregio. Okay, so here is the strap para magandang paglagyan anywhere. So, very, ano siya, accessible. I mean, very, tawag nito. Ayan. Okay. So, next is the product itself. Okay. So, open it. Let's open it. Okay, so may kasama siyang manual. Okay, this is the manual. 3-axis smartphone gimbal user manual. Okay, it is also part of this item. Okay, here it is. Ayan. So, this is the box. So, as you can see, ayan, buksan natin. Let's open it! So, this is actually my second investment in YouTube. Kasi, super useful dito. Magagamit ko ito lalo-lalo na sa pag-vlog. Okay, so, meron siyang kasamang warranty slip. Ayan, very legit talaga siya. Okay, so may warranty slip siya. Dapat ingatan to para in case na meron siyang factory defect. So, pwede pa itong ibalik. Okay. So, here, yeah! This is it. This is it. Okay, let's open it. Ganda. So cute. Ayan. Ito ang kanyang laman. Okay, may kasama din siyang cable for charging. Okay. So, before that, papakita ko muna sa inyo ang feature ng item na ito. So, ano nga ba ang feature nito? Okay. Ayan. So, makikita nyo, it has a horizontal and portrait. Manual, good for manual zooming. It has 9 to 12 hours operation, battery operation. So, matagal ang kanyang battery lifespan. So, pwede mo siyang pagsaksakan or pwede kang mag-charge dito if your phone is already low bat. And then, it is also portable and lightweight. Magaan lang siya. It can use as panorama and time-lapse, double as power bank, and adjustable arm, built-in mounting system. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung paano ilalagay yung built-in niya, kung saan ilalagay. Okay, so this is this one. Okay. So here. It's here. Okay. So as you can see, it has a phone holder. Okay, here. Yeah. So you can move it all around, left and right. Okay. So it has also on and off power here. Power. Then you can charge it here. Meron siyang USB port for charging. It is good for charging. Okay. So meron siyang mode. Okay. And then yan. Ganda. Okay. So later, I will show you how to put the cell phone in this product. And ipapakita ko sa inyo ang review ng product na ito once na ginamit ko. So, for my next video, makikita nyo kung paano ito gagamitin. Okay, so for now, it is just unboxing. Ayan. Okay. So, mukhang maganda siya. Worth it naman ang kanyang price. Very affordable, lalong-lalo na sa mga vlogger. Kasi, usually, pag yung original na ganito is napakamahal. Pero, since nag-sale si Lazada, I bought it for 2,500 plus. Ayan. It is actually product of King Store. Ayan. So later on in my next video, I will show you how to use it and I will give some reviews about this item. So kailangan ko muna itong gamitin at ipapakita ko sa inyo ang result ng item na ito. Okay guys? Ayan. By the way, sa mga baguhan pa lamang, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell for you to be updated sa lahat ng mga videos na i-upload ko. Don't forget to like if you like this video and comment about this product. And don't forget to share if you want to share this news to all friends. Okay.